Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Roblox Learn Ducky Head. To begin your quest for this super cute and completely free accessory, you'll need to join the Roblox Learn Experience game on Roblox. Once you are in the game, your exciting journey to add this unique item to your avatar officially starts. It's a fun and simple process. Your main objective is to collect a grand total of 30 yellow rubber ducks scattered across the experience. The first 10 ducks are hidden throughout the game map, so keep your eyes peeled. They often glow, making them a bit easier to spot in different environments. Explore every corner to find these initial 10 ducks. After finding the initial 10 ducks, you'll collect the remaining 20 by interacting with various portals. Each portal has a pedestal where you must enter a specific password. Successfully inputting the correct code at each one will grant you another duck. There are many different passwords to discover for these 20 ducks. Congratulations! After collecting all 30 ducks, your final step is to locate the central shrine within the game. Approach this mysterious structure and interact with it to activate the claim button. Once pressed, your brand new, adorable Roblox Learn Ducky Head will be added directly to your avatar's inventory. Enjoy your new look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.